Previously on Wacky Woodworks.
Let's go and make something.
And now, continuing our exciting episode. So I have a couple of coats of varnish on. I've inserted the inner layer, and I've used some purple heart to go around the edge of it to hold it, and I've also made this contraption. I don't know what it does. It charges the rifle apparently, and I'm going to put another one. Something down here, something totally different obviously, and I've started with this. So it's basically just a gauge going through a junction to another junction, and a valve, another valve here, and I've got a wee bracket here. Now the bracket's going to get attached to the inner of the coffee table, and then I'll slide that into it just to hold it into place. Now I want to sort of make this look a little bit more than just pipe, and that's the hard part. And I've got a cog on the end of a thing here. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. I kind of want that, make it look like it's doing something somehow. Don't know yet. What do we got? Look, see what we've got. Some bits and pieces in there. Bit of brass. Looks interesting. Another switch. I don't even know what that's off. Looks interesting. What else we got? Some cogs. Each cogs, got some aluminium. What else we got? What else have we got? What does this do? Huh. Okay. Now I want to make it look like it does something, so now I'm also limited to the height that I can go. I've got an idea. Springs are always good. Now all this other stuff just has to look like it does something. It doesn't actually have to do anything, it just has to look like it does. Come on brain, give me some inspiration. I've been collecting junk like this for yonks. All these different types of carbon wheels. I wonder if I can put a springs are good. So these are pull springs. Hang on, get a compression spring. Messy everywhere. How did I have that? How do I have that before? Something like that. Gives it the illusion that there's a coil of some description there. Little switch. Awesome, I've already put that on there. Don't know why I've put that on there, but I did. What else do we need? What else we got? Yeah, come on. Haven't got all day. Oh, I need my glasses because I can't see what I'm doing. Then on the other side, screw that into there like that. It just looks like it's passing through it. Then, what else we got? Thinking of actually covering it all in this to make this look like it's part of the system. Hopefully, just put that in there like so. There you go. And that go running through like that, because that sensor fits in there just like so. What's that? I think that's a good fit. Goes all the way down there to this one, connecting up. It's all now interconnected somehow in some form. And that's a different type of bracket. I don't know what that bracket's actually off, but I think it's cool because it's steampunk and everything. So I've been able to put that piece on, makes it look like they're all connected now. That's all connected, and the whatever that is, whatever that does, I don't know, don't care, does something. And the cogs and wheels are just, oh, except for these ones, the cogs and wheels are just part of the display, and they'll just be loose, because I was thinking just putting as part of just 3 of them up on the front in the center here somewhere. Haven't decided just yet. And then I've got the old oil can, another one down here, just part of the display. I was thinking of putting LED lights underneath, up and under here, but you know, I've changed my mind on that. I don't think it needs it. Glary glare. That's cool. That is so cool. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.